Welcome to Miami Visuals. In this tutorial, I will teach you how to navigate your online store, and what your products will look like. Now, let's have a quick look at this. Click on Website Preview. This is what your online store looks like. Click on the Products tab on the menu to see all your offers. This is how your products look on your products page. And there is an option to have a quick view of each product. So if you click on this black button, images of the product, its name and description will be displayed, as well as the option to add it to cart. Let's click Add to Cart. If you want to see what you have in your cart, located on your upper right, just hover over on the cart icon. To proceed with the product, click on Checkout. Then it will take you to the purchase page, wherein you can make your payment. Now let's get back to the builder, and I'll show you how you can add your first product. Click on Store. Here you can add your store products, shipping methods, and payment methods. First, let's add a new product. To add a product, click on this green button. And here you can select if it is a physical product, a digital product, a service, or a membership. In this case, I will add a new physical product. Let's first assign a name to the product. Then add a description. On the right part of the page, we have the option to add images of the product. By clicking on the plus button, we can find images that we've already uploaded. But remember that you can upload images that you like directly from your computer, like we did on the previous videos. Now click on the image. And click Select. In here, you can also rearrange the order in which the images appear to your liking. Just click and drag to arrange. And to delete, just click on the trash icon. Now, let's add a price. If you want to create an offer, click here and write your promotional price. We can also set up recurring payments for memberships or subscriptions with this option. This is requested for recurring memberships. Usually our clients use it to send monthly products or services, such as memberships, maintenance, consultations, and other services that you can offer on a recurring basis. In here the system will help us by automatically making the charges in cycle. In this case we will make payments in progress and with a monthly collection cycle. If you're on trial version, you can click to upgrade now. And if you're on Pro version, click Update now. If you want to add a category to group your products according to their characteristics, click on Edit Category and select the category you want. For example, drones. You can also add a new category by clicking on this black icon. Click on Confirm. Categories are very important because they are reflected in the search filters that people use to find your products. And if the product has variations, to add them, you can click on Add Variations. In this case we will add color as the variation. I will add the possible colors: black, white, and silver. Click on Advanced if the variations infer the price. For example, black costs $1,000. White costs $1,500. Silver costs $2,000. Let's make black on sale with $800. Then click Save to save the changes. Now, let's go back to our dashboard and add a new shipping method. To add a shipping method, click on Add Shipment. And then click on this red button. I'll call it USA. The shipping cost is $5. And this will only apply to addresses within the United States. Click Confirm. And then confirm again. Now, I want to add another shipping. I will call it International. The cost will be $30, and it will apply to any address outside the United States. Click on Confirm. Now we have our shipping methods here. You can add all your shipping options here, and this will tell the customer how much shipping costs for each criteria you created. For the United States it is $5, and for the rest of the world it is $30. We're going to add one last option, which will be free shipping. Add the minimum and maximum inclusive purchase price. Click on Confirm. Now we can see this option is now active in the shipping options. Now, let's go back to our dashboard. Now, we come to one of the most important parts of the store, the payment methods. Here we are going to explain on how to receive payments online. Click on Connect Payment. To connect a payment method, click on this red button. And you will see different options that you can choose from. Here we have Stripe, PayPal, PayU, and more. So, for example, let's connect with Stripe. Click on Connect. Just add your publishable key and your secret key. For PayPal, click on Connect PayPal and write the email of your PayPal profile. For PayU, click on Connect. Enter your merchant ID, account ID, and API key. And that's how easy you can configure your payment methods. Now, you can accept payments on your website and start generating money online for your business. The second tab in the menu is Orders. This is where you can see a list of all the orders you receive and their respective specifications. You also have the Discounts tab. To add a discount, click on this green button. Here you will have to select what type of discount you will add. They are flat discount, percentage discount, and free shipping. In this case, we will add a percentage discount. I'll add the name of the discount, which will be Summer Promotion. Then the discount code will be Summer30. And the client will receive a 30% discount for this code. We can set a time limit for this promotion by establishing the start date and end date, or leaving it in effect permanently. Click on Save, and now you will have a new promo code available for your customers. This can be quite useful to work with VIP clients, family, and even influencers. And finally, we have the Layout and Styling tab. This is where to modify the appearance of the products pages when the products are exhibited on the live page. We will find different page styles. On the product page layout, click on the Edit button. In the Builder, we can navigate and modify the options of how it will look. In the product page, when the item is selected, we can see the different layout displays. To display the product, we have options such as Zoom, Show Product SKU, and Add Share buttons to show on different social networks. Let's discard these changes and continue to explore the other options. Now let's take a look on the product layout on listing page. Click on the Edit button. Now click on the Layout. And click Settings. On the pop-up settings, we can find the different layout options available. And we can modify aspects such as the number of products per row. Let's change it to 4 products per row. Now you can see that the number of products in a row changed. We can also modify the badge to highlight the offers. And even the order in which the products appear on the list. In this case, let's set it to alphabetical order. We can also add a Buy Now button. And even show advanced filters, that will always appear in the left part of the screen. We can also modify the image sizes in the products list. Here you can choose the image position that you want. An image size that you like, depending on the type of photography you have. In this case, I'll choose square. Let's discard these changes, and continue to explore the other options, and return to the previous menu. Next, we have the cart page option. Click on the Edit button. Here we can add and remove widgets that we consider. Let's go back to the menu. In here you can also edit the checkout page. Click on the Edit button. Here we can modify the look of the user payment space. And by clicking on the checkout widget, here we find the products button. In here can see the 2 options on how to show the checkout. First is the cart checkout. This is the default option of the site. And we can see here the products that the customer adds to their cart. The second option is to select product. In here, we can add the products of our choice. We can also add bump offers, which we will explain in more detail on the next videos. We can edit the checkout page with other options. Let's modify the style by clicking on the brush icon. In this section we'll find out a checkout of 1 step and 2 steps. In here the system first asks for the customer's information. And then the payment details separately. We can also select a 1-step checkout wherein all the necessary information is collected 1 step. And we can modify the configuration here. For example, we can activate aspects such as sending a thank you message for the purchase. Or if you want to send a client to a specific page. Like when someone acquires a membership, and you want to send them directly to the membership course they just bought. In this case you have to click here. And select the page of course to which you want to redirect them. Finally, I can also customize the fields. For example, select Ask for phone number. Or if you need more information about the client, you can add additional fields. And it's easy as clicking the plus icon button to add the new field. For example, Google CAPTCHA, to increase the security of the transaction in the logs. But besides that, we have many other options. Let's now discard those modifications. And go back to the dashboard. You can also activate the options for Cart and Product Quick View. And Cart Quick View. It sets a preview of the shopping cart that is activated by hovering the cursor over the cart. And it allows us to save time in the shopping experience. Lastly, we have the Settings tab. In here you can enter all your company information. From name, address, email, and phone. On the right side, we can modify things like the currency with which you trade, currency symbol position, the unit of weight measurement used, and store process, where we can choose Add to Cart or Buy Now. We will also find here additional settings, such as defining tax rate for each country. Click on Add Country. In here we can define the specific place to which the tax applies. Add tax name, tax type, tax percentage, and if it also applies to shipping charges or not. Click Confirm to save changes. We can also activate or deactivate through this button. To define whether the taxes are included in the product price. In the last tab, the Checkout tab. In here you can declare your store policies such as privacy policies, refund policies, and terms and conditions. When everything is ready, just click on this green button to save the settings. Now you are ready to start making money online from your own business website. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.